Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to find your Robinhood spending account and routing number. If you don't have a Robinhood account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up and get a free stock. We will also put links in the description below for similar stock trading apps for you to sign up and get free stocks. Open the website, then click on the login button. Next, enter your email and password. Then, click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper right of the page. Click on Account. Next, you will see more options under the Account button. Then, click on the Spending button. Here, you will see under the Money Setting the Account and Routing Numbers option. Then, click on the Show button beside it. A pop-up will then appear, showing your account and routing numbers. And that's how you find your Robinhood spending account and routing number. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses